Hi, today we will be assembling the AoN Archeus gaming and office chair. Step 1. Attach casters to chair base by sliding them into the holes on the underside of the base. Step 2. Slide cylinder into the hole on the top of the base. Step 3. Place the chair lift on the bottom of the chair seat, making sure to align the arrows on the lift with the front of the seat. Attach using 4 small screws. Step 4. Using 2 long screws per arm, attach arms to the seat. Step 5. Place assembled arms and seat into the cylinder and base. Step 6. Screw back onto seat and arms using 2 long screws on each side of the chair. Step 7. Cover screw holes with the hole cover. For any missing parts, you can contact us at 866-816-3822 or help@regencyof.com. Thank you for your purchase. Be sure to leave a review with your retailer. We appreciate your feedback. Now that you've assembled your own Archeus gaming chair, get your game on.